Welcome to Progressive Muscle Relaxation, narrated by Deborah Camacho with SIA Prevention Services. Our disclaimer: for those who suffer from medical conditions, be sure to consult with your doctor prior to beginning any type of relaxation training program. The instructions and advice presented are in no way intended as a substitute for medical consultation. SIA and our participating school districts disclaim any liability from and in connection with this program. If at any point during the program you begin to feel faint, dizzy, or have physical discomfort, you should stop immediately and consult a physician. Progressive muscle relaxation, also known as PMR, is an anxiety reduction technique first introduced by American physician Edmund Jacobson in the 1920s. This technique involves alternating tension and relaxation of specific muscle groups of the body. Since the 20s, there have been many variations that have been created, but they all continue to use the systematic pattern of squeezing and releasing muscle groups as suggested by Dr. Jacobson. Progressive muscle relaxation works in part by helping to overcome a normal reaction to stress, otherwise known as the flight or fight response. Muscle pain, tension, and stiffness are common symptoms brought on by stress and anxiety. Progressive muscle relaxation has been shown to reverse the effects of stress on the body by eliciting the relaxation response. In addition, the relaxation response can help to lower heart rate, blood pressure, calm the mind, as well as reduce bodily tension. Now let's begin with a quick step-by-step instruction on how to practice progressive muscle relaxation. Step 1. I want you to get as comfortable as you can. You don't have to lie down for this. If you can, great, but if you're sitting in a chair, it works just fine. Do make sure that you're in a place that is free of distraction. Close your eyes if that feels best for you. Step 2. Breathe. I'd like you to inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise as you fill your body with air. Then slowly exhale from your mouth, drawing your navel towards your spine. Go ahead and repeat this about 3 to 5 times. Step 3. Starting with your hands, clench your fists and hold them nice and tight for 5 to 10 seconds. Then slowly release your fists and recognize the feeling of relaxation in your hands. Continue your relaxed breathing while you repeat this step 2 to 3 times with each hand. Step 4, the forehead. Next, scrunch your forehead like you are thinking really hard. Squeeze and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Squeeze tightly for a few more breaths and then release. Step 5, the eyes. Squeeze your eyes shut like you're going to blow out the candles on your birthday cake and make a wish. No peeking. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Release slowly, breathing comfortably, while you continue to repeat this as needed. Step 6, the mouth. I want you to pretend you are chewing a big piece of gum. This gum is extremely hard to chew, but I want you to keep chewing for 5 to 10 seconds. When you release, continue your relaxation breathing. Step 7, the neck. I want you to squeeze your shoulders up to your earlobes. Get them as close as you can. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Release slowly and repeat as needed. Step 8, the shoulders. I want you to lift your shoulders up toward your earlobes. Now squeeze this position and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Now relax and repeat as needed. Step 9, the arms. Now take your arms and make them as straight as possible. Squeeze your arm muscles like you are frozen for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and repeat as needed. Step 10, the lower back. I want you to try to touch your shoulder blades together. Squeeze and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Now relax and repeat as needed. Step 11, the legs. This is best done while sitting. I want you to take both legs and make them as straight as possible, pointing your toes upward toward the sky. Focus on squeezing the thigh muscles. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Now release. Next, point your toes and focus on squeezing the calf muscles. Hold tight for 5 to 10 seconds. Release when ready, breathing comfortably. Repeat these as needed. Step 12, your feet and toes. Lastly, I want you to pretend that you are at the beach. Now squish your toes into the sand. Hold this for 5 to 10 seconds. Then release and relax and repeat as needed. To end this practice, I want you to take a few more deep breaths, noting how much more calm and relaxed you feel. Progressive muscle relaxation is a skill that takes practice to master. By practicing this several times a week, you can easily become aware of what it's like to feel relaxed. Understand that this feeling can help you to more readily let go of tension when anxiety rises. Thank you.